Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your order has been delivered on eBay. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're selling Pokemon cards. How do you actually go ahead and check if your order has been delivered on eBay? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, the way to actually do this is first you're going to log into your eBay account. Then you're going to click on Sell in the upper right-hand corner. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to click on All Orders. Now, the way to actually tell if an order has been delivered on eBay is that once you're on the order page, you're going to see, say, shipped, or you're going to see it say delivered. So that's the really big or easy way to get a rundown of whether or not an order has been delivered on eBay. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and tell if an order has been delivered on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.